So first we take a problem statement. Design a rectangular footing having two columns for the following cases. Here it is a load. Dead load is 500 kN in one column and live load equal to 250 kN in one column. It means both the columns are loaded with 500 kN and 250 kN each column. Dimension of the column is it is a square column and its dimension is 500 mm into 500 mm each. And we are using here reinforcement bar is equal to 20 mm. Here you can see the material properties. Just shear bearing capacity of soil is equal to 200 kilonewton per meter square. We are using concrete grade M30 and rebar grade HYSD 415. Or let me take consideration of allowable settlement equal to 1 centimeter. Next we are starting for the calculation. First we have to calculate the area of the footing. So first total load कितना हुआ 500 डेड लोड वन कॉलम का तो इंटू टू और लाइव लोड टू कॉलम का तो 250 इंटू टू टोटल लोड शेप बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सोइल इट इज 200 किलोमीटर इक्वल टू 7.5 मीटर स्क्वायर सो वी आर टेकिंग इट 8 मीटर स्क्वायर assume breadth equal to 2 meter so area is equal to length into breadth length equal to area divided by breadth area is equal to 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 meter edge distance from the center uh, here you can see the edge distance left edge spacing between two columns is 2 meter and the column are uh, stabilized here so left edge 1 meter right edge 1 meter top edge 1 meter and the bottom edge 1 meter कैलकुलेशन सबकेट मॉडुलस ये होता है सेप बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सोइल डिवाइडेड बाय अलाउबल सेटलमेंट सेप बेयरिंग 200 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर अलाउबल सेटलमेंट 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 क्यूब माइनस 2 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 into 10 power 4 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डिजाइन स्ट्रिप इक्वल टू कॉलम स्ट्रिप बिट अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉलम स्ट्रिप बिट इक्वल होता है 0.25 L1 और L2 whichever is less L1 is equal to 4 meter and L2 is equal to 2 meter. Strip bit is equal to 0.25 into 2 which is less 2 meter is equal to 0.5 meter. Hence okay. Hello friend. Now we start from new model. Add dialogues open. First we have to decide design code. Let's we design for IS 456 units. We have to select currently metric as Indian code use metric default. Okay, then you have to change design preferences, modify or show the minimum cover slab. We need 50 mm minimum cover slab. So first 50 mm cover slab. Preferred bar size we have decided 20. Okay, so now we are using rectangular footing. Combined footing. Let's select template combined footing. Now left edge distance we have discussed left edge distance, right edge distance, edge 1 side 1, top edge also 1, bottom edge also 1. You have to consider load spacing and size. So first you have to decide in x direction. We have because both are column in x direction, the spacing between the column is 2 load size square column की what is the size of square column 500 mm into 500 mm so let's decide 500 mm load on column it's 500 kN and live load 250 kN on both column right 250. Okay, footing thickness let's decide footing thickness 500 mm. ठीक है 5 ये load we have put the load then here you can see 2 mm. Let's change it 1 mm again 2 mm. Here you can see subgrade below. Here it is written 2e plus 04. It means 2 into 10 power 4 and the and here in this question we are our subgrade modulus is 2 into 10 plus 4. It means okay. Now you can see edge combined footing is drawn here. You can scroll down your mouse and you can see the combined putting. Now have to define material. Here three materials are: first we design concrete M30, material type concrete, bed per volume for concrete 25, modulus of elasticity for concrete 27386, coefficient of thermal expansion 0.000055, and the concrete cube strength 30. It's okay. Material defined. Now we have to define rebar material HYSG 415. Okay. Rebar bed point volume 77, model of velocity 2 lakh 4 5. Okay. Minimum will step by 415 and tensile stress this is 485 FU. Ultimate minimum tensile stress 485. Okay. Okay. Then click OK. Okay. Material is defined. Now we define slab properties. Here you can see I'm putting and strip both are designed because this is a template and it is automatically designed. You can see putting change slab material M30 500 mm. Okay. Now you can modify slab material M30 strip M30 500 mm. Okay. Now you have to define soil subgrade properties. Soil 1 modify shift property. Soil 1 subgrade modulus is okay to E plus 04. Okay. Okay. Now I have to define load patterns. Now you can see dead and live both load are given here. Then okay. Define load cases. Dead and live load linear static. Load case type is linear static, so it's okay. Then okay. Now you have two load combination. There is no load combination, so add new combination. Combination 1 dead load. For strength we have take 1.5 as dead load and live load also we take 1.5 for strength. Okay. Now I have to combination number 2 for dead load 1, for live load also 1, for service long term for servicing. Now you can see. Okay. Now we have defined material slab properties, soil subgrade property, load pattern, load case, load combination. All the things are defined. Now you have to draw strips. So first you have to select delete strip data made in previous. So first properties design strip layers. Here you select all the strips in one second and delete it one time and escape. Now you have to design strip. So draw design strip. Now you can see strip layer a column strip. Start with left all the 0.5 strip rate. Okay. So now next action we draw the strip. Okay. Now in y direction Okay, stripper design. Escape. Here you can see in display mode strip levels, show bits, show stations. Okay, here you can see the strip bits. Now you have to forward. Now you have mm, you have to put material, change the material HVSD. Okay, okay. Now you have to assign on footing slab data properties footing. Okay, here you can see footing and strip both are automatically assigned. Now you have to assign soil properties, support data, soil properties, soil 1 to E plus 04. Okay, okay, assign soil 1. Okay, now you have to check the loads to assigned or not to load data, point load. Oh, okay, take my 1 minute. Load, here load is assigned. Here you can check 500 to 50 load is assigned on both. Okay, now I have to change the required material of everything. So first this, here you can check we have assigned required material as HYSG415. Okay, then all the things required material here HYSG415 for every column. Is also you can check the if this column required material changed, this column required material changed. Now footing material changed. Now we change the required material strip. Required material HSD415. Okay, okay. Now this strip 15. Okay, okay. Now this strip now we have assigned all the loads on the center point of the column, all the combination of load and soil, footing, strip and the required material to it. Okay, now we run analysis. So first we have to save this file. Let's save this file foundation assignment. In the starting, here you can see the analysis is going on. Here you can see the analysis and deflection values, displacement value by the dead load. Here you can check show deformed shape for dead load, live load. You can see for the combination also, like combination 1 apply. Here you can see display condition. Now you can see the slope stress for the load combination dead. You can check for everything. Okay, close. Let's we have decided. Then tension. Now we have to run analysis and design. Now show punching a shear design. Here you can see the punching shear ratio is 0.31 which is less than 1. Hence it is okay in the punching shear. Now you can show tables. So then concrete design, then concrete slab, then table concrete slab. Now put OK, click OK. Here traction shear data concrete slab design 1. Here you can check the status text. Here you can see the it is OK in all direction. It means it is OK. Okay. Now you can run detailing for all the three options. You can see detailing. Now drawing component views, putting views, putting layout plan is also defined. Putting table, you can see, you can zoom in. Lx is 4 meter, Ly is 2 meter, thickness 0.500. Here you can see 5 bars of 14 mm is required for this. Okay, you can see the footing below quantities. 14 bars, length 10 mm, bed 0.01, total 0.01, bed metric MGA. Here you can see drawing sheet, cover sheet, general notes, and the thing beam curtailment rules, as you want you can see in this. So this is the design of the footing, combined footing. Okay.